Alright guys, it's finally that time. Let's open up this 7500 and see what she looks like. What do we have here, boys? Oh, shit. Manual real quick. Installation. Panel layout. Basic instructions. Some specs. So we're rated at RMS power 4 ohms, 2400 watts. RMS power 2 ohms, 4500 watts. RMS power 1 ohm, 7500, and that's at 12 volt. All right, let's take this thing out of the box. What we have here. I don't know about y'all. This is a sexy looking amp, y'all. So we have dual power and ground inputs. So I'm gonna bring the camera down and let y'all take a look. Right, so I want to point out a few of the goodies that does come with the Wolfram 7500. We do have a little bass knob, and yes, it does have a clipping indicator. So I'm going to run both of the bass knobs for both of the amps to the front. I'm going to continue to use my LC1 to actually control everything. I'll just have these turned to the max, and I'll just be using them for their clipping indicator. It also comes with, looks like this is for strapping, which I will need, so I appreciate that. And some Allen keys. Always keep these in the truck because you're always going to need them. Alright guys, well again, here's y'all's first look at the Wolfram 7500. I will be doing some clamp videos once the truck's playing. So again, check out all the other videos on the channel in the meantime. Alright guys, so I know it was kind of a brief video. Unfortunately, I'm not able to play the 7500s at this time. If you don't know why, be sure to check out the last video that I just uploaded. So take it easy, y'all. Stick around and we'll have these things playing soon.
I have an unhealthy obsession with spending money, but I have a healthy obsession with making it, so it's all good.